I'm Jalen Banks. We begin with breaking news as UnityPoint Health-Meriter and the union representing its nurses have come to a tentative agreement after a 5-day strike over safety, staffing, and burnout concerns. Now, I want to take you down a timeline and show you how we got to this point. February 20th, SEIU and the nurses held a press conference making their desires for improved safety and staffing public for the first time. Fast forward to April 8th, they then held a strike-ready rally where they made their first public threat to strike during these same contract negotiations. And on May 20th, SEIU, the union representing the nurses, announced they would be going on strike the following week if an agreement could not be reached. Then on May 27th at 7 a.m., the nurses officially went on strike, with hundreds walking out on the job. And on May 29th, both the hospital and the nurses union would return to the negotiating table for the next 3 days. And that brings us to today, where just after 3 p.m., it was announced the union and hospital reached a tentative agreement. And if ratified, nurses would return to work Sunday morning. Here is one of the bargaining team members on the tentative deal.
We may have been the 7 nurses at the table, but it was your voices, your energy, and your support that got us here. We ensured that our voices have been heard, and we will continue to rise together to protect our profession for our safety and our patients.
Members from SEIU say the next update will be tomorrow morning at 6:30. And the hospital releasing a statement on the tentative deal saying, "We are grateful for the dedication and hard work of everyone involved in the negotiations. This tentative agreement represents meaningful progress toward a contract that recognizes the important contributions of our nurses."